Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to view your favorites list on Facebook using a PC. With the latest update, accessing your favorites has become even easier. Let's get started. First, open Facebook by typing facebook.com into your browser and logging into your account. Once you're on the homepage, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear with additional options. Click on Content Preferences. This is where you'll find the tools to manage your favorites. Now, within Content Preferences, locate and click on Favorites. This will take you to the dedicated section for managing and viewing your favorites list. To customize what you see, look for the option next to the search bar that says Favorites Only. Click on it, and voila! Your feed will now display updates exclusively from your selected favorites, whether they're friends, pages, or groups, and that's it. By following these steps, you can easily access and enjoy a more personalized Facebook experience by focusing on the people and content that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.